it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we're here with 450. Yeah, man. General Night Music already at a young age. 450 with overwhelming. Big up yourself, 450. I rate 450, no doubt. Yeah, man. 450, big up yourself, man. Big up the whole team. The team I work with 450. Javi. Big up on yourself, man. Big up all on yourself, dog. Like, yeah, dog. Role models, bro. Role models. Make us see what am I saying? Overwhelming still. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, Javi.
Blood clot, big bad be my day.
I know the pressure overwhelming. All this life is a mess.
Production team, big up.
I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a my virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait for the wrong man. Yo, Javi.
Artist! Bumbuckler! Talent! Talent! Yeah, man.
All this life is a mess.
Straight. Let's go. Yeah.
I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Sometimes the illegal thing feel tempting, dog. Cause I look at 9 to 5 now work. As they work your little money, done, brother. And to more. You know, you're assassin this from them time there. Yes, man.
And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my fuck.
Man say if I'm here, I wait for fear, brother. You go and wait, you know. You go and wait, brother. Cause fear is not the option, dog.
More than he can be a virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for done fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. I know one seems
Clock. You can't do them you can't do them song at one time, bro. Believe. True ambassador, big up yourself, dog. Motivation for the youths, them. Love them type of song, you do. No joke.
All this life is a mess. I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a my virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for done fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because the 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a my virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I try.
You hear him say a while ago, youths? Youths, listen to the liner. Youths, listen to the liner.
My life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride.
See it? Still now bow in no matter the price. Nah sell out. Me we keep my pride. Don't just keep on the money and go with that at the matter of fact. All the binds. Connect.
Still money, no matter price.
Yeah.
Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride.
Yeah.
Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as some feel sometimes. And I admit I've cried. But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming.
Yo, you see the G, so?
No one seems to be.
I want to just see, I write the song, writing on the book a while ago. I write a song in the book, you know. You see me? And story.
And illegal things feel tempting.
Rock your community first, my G.
And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking a man more than he can be a virtue. I'll run me alone and abandon.
Yeah.
Feel an option. So if I'm here, I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them I pray for don't fall. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things feel tempting because in 9 to 5 I know investing. I just preparation for blessings.
Love that song, yeah. Love that song, yeah, no joke. Great things in J though. Great bumbuckler things in J though, brother. Great things in J though, bro. Great things. We see him keeping show last year. Wow, March, May, not May. Yo, great things the youth do, dog. Big, like me say, big up the production team. Big up Javi, big up yourself, me G. You see me? You do the right by the artist, bro. You see me? So your ratings tall. 450, big up yourself, bro. You have some core supporters, some core fans. I listen out for your music. But one thing I want to talk to you about, though, bro. Big man thing between me and you. Which part Cold World part second there? Where that song there? Cold World. Where that song there, brother? Because me I talk the song with you and Valdo night with Valdo Aki night, brother. Let me see. Let me see if we can find it. Cold Street. We shall pass second there. In a drop it. In a drop it. That's song of people. That's song of attack people. Listen.
20 years old just move back in the steam.
That song that me attack in the Cold Street. Me do a reaction to it already. Me I go drop it right above my head. So go check it out. We want part second. We want part second, brother. We need a song there. So make it happen now, please. Yes, dog. For find time to drop it, bro. You can't leave it on a cliffhanger like that, bro. Leave it. No. We want the song, dog. We want the song. Yeah? Alright, but I'll leave this one right here. Big up yourself, 450. In a bit. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.